Laugh, don't they?
Maybe you got something like one and tropical fish.
Yeah. It's all the temperature in it and all that as well.
Yeah. That's how long something go wrong before you know you replace hopefully.
Yeah. What do you mean like that? Pretty chicken. And headphones, so you get better open. I was trying to say how you get over the, yeah, but how do you get over the other side? Oh, okay. What do you know? No, Joe?
Oh, I keep saying down here, cut reform, not even for ours,
Breaking
no,
gimp?
no, breaking gimp.
Oh, gimp. Say somewhere one lot of posts, isn't it?
Share a can.
Not really, no. I don't. I can't do it with you, can I? Very rarely. I'm on ride being more than anything.
He's on the list.
He weren't on the list though.
Nah. Nah, we're getting super real.
We're doing swimming in and out of it. Must be. it in the goddamn hut. Some people swear by it, don't they? I mean, I wouldn't do it. You can see.
Hard part.
But they do it, don't they, for their body?
I mean, look at them, you know, like jumping straight in the ice water, weren't they?
Yeah.
In the fields and that, and get back out.
Excuse me, please. Sorry, thank you.
So?
But yeah, you see me doing it nowhere. Yeah, I've got 30 and then there's actually, I don't know, at least you know that's fresh water.
Yeah. Put that kid's right in it.